Do you feel like your hormones are out of whack despite doing everything right? Well, you might be missing key nutrients that play a crucial role in hormonal balance. And in this video, I'm going to reveal which nutrients you need to keep your hormones happy and healthy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Renee, and I help women balance their hormones naturally and rewire the brains for better health. And if you enjoy what you learn in today's video, don't forget to subscribe. And I'd really appreciate a thumbs up so I know you resonated with the content. And make sure you hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. And before we get into it, a little disclaimer. The videos on this channel are for informational and educational purposes only. They're not intended to be taken as professional medical advice. While I am a doctor, I am not your doctor. So do me a huge favor. If you have a medical need or a health concern, please consult your own personal doctor or healthcare practitioner. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get into it. Achieving hormonal balance isn't just about managing stress or getting enough sleep. While both of these are super important, keeping your hormones in check also requires nourishing your body with the right nutrients. So let's dive into the 5 essential nutrients for hormone balance and why they're so important. First up, we have the superstar omega-3 fatty acids. Now, these healthy fats are crucial for hormone health. They improve your sensitivity to the hormone insulin, which in turn helps regulate your blood sugars, and they reduce inflammation, which is key for maintaining balanced hormones. You can find omega-3s in foods like salmon, sardines, flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds. Making these a regular part of your diet can make a huge difference. And a little aside here, many people are consuming adequate amounts of omega-3s, but their hormones are still out of whack. Why? Well, because they are also consuming way too many foods that are high in omega-6 fatty acids. Foods like vegetable oils and processed foods contain high amounts of omega-6s, which throw off the delicate balance between omega-3 and omega-6, which translates into inflammation. So, in addition to adding in omega-3 rich foods, try to cut down on those foods that are high in omega-6 fatty acids. Our next rockstar nutrient is magnesium, which is also known as the relaxation mineral. Now, magnesium helps regulate the production and breakdown of hormones, particularly the stress hormones like cortisol. It also plays a role in thyroid function. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy greens, nuts like almonds, seeds, avocados, and my personal favorite, dark chocolate. Make sure to include these foods in your meals. The next essential nutrient for hormone health is vitamin D. Now, vitamin D acts more like a hormone than a vitamin in your body, and it's involved in regulating your insulin levels, which again, in turn, regulates your blood sugars, and the reproductive hormones, estrogen and testosterone. Now, you can get vitamin D from the sun, so sunlight, but food sources include things like fish, salmon and trout to be specific, eggs, and mushrooms. If you're not getting enough from these sources, which most people don't, then you should consider a supplement. Chances are, if you live in a cold weather climate like me, or are stuck inside all day, chained to a chair and staring at a computer, then your vitamin D levels will most likely be low. You want to always check your levels with your doctor prior to supplementation, but more than likely you will probably need to supplement, especially during the winter months. Now, before we get into the next essential nutrient, I want to pause a second and invite you to watch the replay of a completely free masterclass that I did, where I broke down the 3 proven strategies to balance your hormones naturally. So if you're tired of feeling sluggish, out of balance, and tired, and you just don't feel like yourself anymore, this masterclass is for you. I've distilled years of research and practical application into 3 powerful strategies that address the root causes of hormonal imbalance. This masterclass is your key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. So I'll be sure to drop the link to snag the replay below. Do not miss out on this chance to take the first step towards true hormonal balance. Okay, now on to the next nutrient. Zinc is next, and it's a vital mineral that supports hormone production and regulation. It's essential for making thyroid hormones, and it does play a role in your reproductive health, such as in ovulation and fertility. Foods rich in zinc include meat, oysters, chickpeas, and pumpkin seeds. Ensuring adequate zinc intake can help your hormones stay in check. Last but not least, we have the Rockstar vitamin C. Now, this powerful antioxidant protects against oxidative stress, which can damage hormones. Vitamin C is also crucial for the breakdown of estrogen and progesterone, and it's also really useful in helping your body manage stress since it's important for the formation of the stress hormone cortisol. Some studies suggest that vitamin C supplements may help reduce cortisol levels. In fact, one study found that taking vitamin C supplements before a stressful event helped the participants reduce cortisol levels and improve their stress response. Citrus fruits, berries, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent sources of vitamin C. Be sure to incorporate these foods into your diet for optimal hormone health and stress management. So, by including these 5 essential nutrients, omega 3s, magnesium, vitamin D, vitamin C, and zinc into your diet, you can not only support your hormonal balance, but your overall well being. Remember, it's not just about what you avoid, but also what you include in your nutrition that makes a difference. And if you want to supplement your diet, I'll be sure to drop the link below for my favorite brand of supplements with some of my personal recommendations for hormone balance. And if you enjoyed this video, check out this video where I talked about my top 3 must-have supplements for optimal hormone balance. With that, we'll see you right back here next week. Ciao.